Lamoro?
So yung pala yun.
Yan.
Ito.
Diba?
Cold brew? Okay naman.
Grabe ang dark ng kilay ko. Wala,
Hindi naman.
di ba?
Oo, hindi naman.
Pero kasi bagets pa.
Coffee.
Kaya nga, lagi naman kayo
Oo, di ba apple?
Coffee.
Kasi kayo nung malaking pumunta doon dahil si Ampo. Abara.
Ay, hindi ko so much Ay, hindi ka kita.
Oh guys,
Kain.
who wants croissants? Oh, there's a bell.
Sila ng croissant.
Kasama sa order.
Kasama yan sa order. Kasama sa order.
Ay, ito yung gusto mo. Ano yan? Yan ba yung sinuli mo?
Kahit ano.
Wala akong ano.
Bye daw,
Ano
mama daw.
yan? Tawag yung sila.
Ano yan?
Check natin.
Hindi nalungkot siya kasi di ba umalis ako, nag-kiss lang ako, hindi ko siya ginising. Sumunod ko.
This is
Looks like a
a
chocolate.
croissant. What?
Croissant.
Croissant pala.
Oo
Croissant.
nga.
Sabihin ni mama daw. Mama dong,
Yes.
ano to?
Ay, that's pandiregla. Kaya lang,
Yung totoo.
hindi ko alam din. Ako pa
Sabihin mo na.
Croissant?
And it's croissant.
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 Chinese pala yan. Croissant.
It's French.
Ano siya?
Croissant.
Croissant.
So, ang tanga pala natin pag umorder tayo sa Starbucks, croissant kami ng croissant.
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 Guys, ano pala yun? Croissant.
Croissant. Guys ha. Croissant.
Ang hirap
Daw?
naman ng cream.
Croissant.
So,
Tapos, yung
Croissant.
guyabano.
bahala ka. Ayoko na to. Sabi ko sa'yo, pandiregla na lang.
Gusto pala.
Diba?
Oo. Croissant. Ba't ibang style ng croissant?
Hindi kusot. Hindi kusot.
Bilis naman mawala sa mood yung
Diba?
prinsesa ng El Nido.
Ano daw?
Hindi lang ma-pronounce. Ayaw na niya.
Ganyan lang.
Kusot.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Chinese pala to eh. Croissant.
Di ba nga, croissant? Ewan ko ba dyan?
Croissant.
Croissant. Yung
Gaya-gaya
guyabano.
siya ng kulay,
Hindi,
guys.
parang
Sour
ano,
soup.
True.
daan sa ilong. Croissant.
Croissant.
Yon.
Croissant. Parang
Croissant.
Chinese na.
Diba
French.
Chinese?
Oo.
Ano, French?
Croissant.
French pala yung croissant.
So, order ka kunyari, mama.
Ito,
Ay,
makinis.
give me one croissant. Ang pangit.
Okay, hello, good morning. Ganun kandali.
Hi, good morning. I want to order one croissant. Pangit. Alam mo, dapat mag-order ka nakachinita ka kasi parang Chinese eh.
Hindi, French yun.
African pa yun.
Aray ko,
Pero
mama.
sounds like Chinese.
Ito. Ano ito? Ito?
Diba?
Or ito?
Ay, in fairness, tama daw si Chris.
Tama.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Isa pa, gusto ko ta mag-order. Ang
Mama, I
cute.
want to order one croissant. Parang inching.
Oh, sige. I-dare natin. Pag next Starbucks natin, mag-order ka ng ganyan.
Ako order, isang ate, pahingin niya, isang croissant.
Hinalong Tagalog tsaka French.
Aray ko.
Ang pangit. Ay,
Puso.
nawala na si Love, Love.
Uy, musok ka dito kasi hindi ka nila kita, Chris.
Nagdig na sila po.
Ayan.
Mahilig ako pag ginuhat ka.
Gusto ko ikaw na order nito, mas magaling ka mag-pronounce.
Ay, kaya sa akin,
Ito.
kaya sa
Diba, no?
Oo. Another croissant.
Can I have one croissant?
Aling gusto mo dito?
Tama yung kay Chris. Ha, ha, ha.
Hindi ko alam.
Mali yung sa akin.
Sige,
Ito yung-
share lang. Kukurot-kurot lang tayo dyan, guys.
Aliw.
Guys,
So, guys, here we have different kinds of croissant.
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 Louisa Robert.
Parang may bara sa
Ganyan gusto mo ng
ilong.
croissant?
Oo nga, croissant.
Parang may bara sa ilong. Do you want
parang
croissant?
kainin.
Parang may bara yung ilong ko, guys.
Eileen Vidal.
Croissant.
Kaya gusto mo ng croissant?
Yeah, they're very, very.
Gusto niyo croissant?
Diba, croissant?
Croissant.
Croissant. Would you like to try the croissant?
What kind of croissant is that?
Okay.
Pangungo.
Diba?
Parang pangongo na yan eh.
Try croissant.
It's
I
croissant.
would like to try croissant because it's my first time.
Oh, it's your first time to try croissant.
Parang barok na yung English. Parang
Ika Mayor na
Parang ano?
Lagonoy, Camarines.
Okay, would you like to try
Would
this?
you mind to give me some, honey?
Mayor Janine. Mayor Mayor
I will
PG.
share it to them.
Tayo ng
So,
ano,
we have the,
Lagonoy.
I get the
miss
reviews.
Lagonoy.
You got the review.
Malapit
Yeah.
na
Get
po ang
the
Lagonoy
reviews.
Festival. So this
The English
coming
challenge
April
pala
po,
starts now.
nakatapusan.
Ay, English.
And then joke.
Mama, don't stop
Mama,
it.
don't, Mama,
English
don't.
challenge starts
English-
now.
Ay,
Challenge
this challenge starts now?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So don't,
Oh my
don't
God,
speak Tagalog
guys.
from
We have an English challenge. We will not
Guys.
speak Tagalog.
Yeah. Gusto daw niya ng English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One-
Mayor, we want
1
I
hour
want to
English
visit
challenge.
again
1 hour lang
Lagonoy.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko
The
ha?
people there are
Ng
so
puso
Up.
ko ngayon.
charming.
I'm not
and
feeling
they're so
well.
Yan. Ang sarap
Biglang-
ng
I'm not feeling
Yan.
well, Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Hi, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where did
speak
you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Lerderas, you message me in my messenger or my, yes.
I
Yes.
chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh,
So
they
you
order
message
our
me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my. Can we stop this already?
I
This
think you
live?
guys sound good. You
No.
sound good.
I think I want to stop
Oh my
the
God.
live.
No,
Yeah.
keep it going.
We don't need to
They don't
use
need to
the,
hear
ano,
this. Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look.
This
They
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.
you're,
We want this something private.
Usap tayo, Mayor, ha?
Chris
Mag-iingat
Lawrence.
palagi,
You sound,
Mayor.
I think you
Yes,
sound
I-
amazing.
Ay,
Did I,
amazing.
mate?
Oh my God. Did I? Am I?
Napakabait ang Mayor ng Laguna.
Oh my
Sound
God.
fabulous.
Oh my God.
where did you buy the croissant? It's across the
No,
street?
it's not croissant. It's
It's
croissant.
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 Croissant?
Quoi?
Quoi?
Croissant.
Ah, croissant.
Croissant.
Bonjour.
Oh my God.
Bonjour.
Bonjour mo siya?
Bonjour mo
Merci.
siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya.
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya.
Gracias.
Aya.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
Mali,
si Marcel. Kono, sabi mo, no, walang
No,
kakuroso.
Japanese. No Japanese.
Squash.
Don't speak.
Skoshi.
No, don't speak Japanese.
She can't able to speak English, so that's why she Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, siya.
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your
get-
voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Mama,
us
can you mute
to
yourself?
speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they
Because-
want to hear.
Ah,
We shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. A drink. Yeah.
I thought you need
Yo.
tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, wait, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too
That's-
early for
that's the-
mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
the English will be
Red
ano,
or-
more.
them
Red
to
horse.
speak English, no
I
Tagalog.
might kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
ang tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so
Yes.
ang tama.
He
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan to, no?
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking about?
hey, guys,
Oh,
come
sorry,
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong. Hey,
I
this is
It's a punishment.
this
When
is
you
guys. I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Doming. This
Hello.
is Douglas, and
I-
here we have.
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
Oh my God, we will English.
that's their new name.
If there's 3
The
Ks,
English is...
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.
to go to the bathroom
You need to.
hours.
I think
I think see you in the farm.
I want to rest because it's my second day of period and
Hi,
I'm not
Maggie.
really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the palenque.
Want us to
You're
English.
going to the palengke.
speak English
Only.
also in Palengke.
Oh, si Ate Claude, nakayun.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after
What
this
will you say
and
if you're going to buy kangkong or ingredients?
I would like to have some kangkong. How much does it cost?
No.
Would you
Can I
mind?
buy one
Would you
can?
mind to tell me how much is the
Can I
bundle
buy
of
one
kangkong?
can?
Finish your croissant and then we're going now.
Diba?
It is in Sweden.
Hey ate, I would like to buy kangkong. How much is the bundle?
Wow.
May bundle na.
Yeah, bundle.
Ay,
You know.
It seems you have a good sleep, ah. That's why you speak more
I
English.
Oh my
English.
gosh,
Dear.
I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up at like I slept at 9 p.m. and then I woke up at 11 and then Mr. B went to my
Oh
room
my God.
and
Mr.
he
B
gave
went
me
the
he just
room?
gave me NyQuil so I
gave her
can't
something to sleep.
Yeah, cause someone well,
farted.
I don't know. Nothing. It's okay. I just sleep after
No,
that.
someone
Hey
farted.
guys, you hear,
Someone farted.
You hear what
Yeah.
Last night.
Yes.
Mr. B last night.
That's why I
go to
couldn't
the
sleep.
room
Someone
of Miss
farted.
Who was that?
I think
Yeah.
that girl. She was beside me, keep on laughing, and then
Farted?
farted. Yeah.
Farted.
Yeah.
Farted
You know what's
means-
farted?
Yeah. The one you there and the other one there. That's farted.
Yeah. You know it. Yes.
Farted.
What a bright girl.
Oh,
Yes.
And if there's a lot of music danceable, that's farting. You dance, that's farting.
Ah.
Party ding.
Yeah, farting.
Yes.
The
So
English
that's
is
why
so very
I
nice.
couldn't sleep last night.
See? O, di ba?
Yes, simply Mitch. I've been in
See,
Japan.
the
There's a lot of vocabulary that you can hear.
Yeah,
Mama
but
Dodong.
my English is just
1998 to 2000.
help.
Pass.
Mr. B is so handsome. Yeah.
Pass.
We will chat.
Yeah. It's
Delilah.
little bit. Bitsy.
A little bit of
A little bit.
Monica.
Yes.
You hold the beat. You hold the beat. See?
Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my my post that I couldn't sleep. Someone is thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Beat. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he
Oh,
went to my
Jaja.
room and he gave me
Hi, shout
NyQuil.
To all the Peculiar family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can sleep.
that.
Don't speak Tagalog, ah.
You see? You hear that, Mommy Cans. Mrs. B told, Miss B told Mr. B,
I think I don't-
go to the room
I'll
last
try.
night. Then,
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
they
croissant.
eat croissant.
All right. So.
AJ, gusto niya?
You hear the
Batiklaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
Yes. It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic.
I like
Wanna
it.
try?
Whoa, fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
it's so crust. The crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
I
a
so
little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my, God, the croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hmm? Hey, don't
I'm
put
so-
your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
fall
oh,
here
you're
in
right.
the croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I'd like
Oh.
oh,
Would
yes.
you call him?
Ferds.
Hey.
Time's
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What?
Ay,
It's delicious and very nice. I like it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so flaky. I love the buttery taste and the flakiness. It's so perfect.
I think I ate some
That's
sand.
that's Mr. Beast want us to English only.
Yeah.
Policy, policy.
Because
EOP.
the English
We
only.
English the policy is English only. No Tagalog.
But I think
No, I know
Nihongo.
Japan, Nihongo.
I think we're gonna sleep so
Japanese.
early because our brain is so
It's empty.
functioning right now.
But it's okay.
Our
'cause
brain
we have
is stopped
coffee.
raining.
We
This is
have
not coffee. This
What
is
is it?
chai.
That coffee.
Mine's coffee.
And
This
aside
is
from
masala chai. Do you know what's masala chai?
Here's strike two. You said
They
goose.
they sala the chai, so you can drink it so smoothly.
Ako pa yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is it?
because they sala the masala chai.
Oh.
They
How about the
sala.
skin of Mamador? It's smooth.
Guys, do you know this masala chai?
It's flaky.
Yes, this drink. Who knows this?
It's so.
Who knows this? They sala the masala chai, so you can drink it smoothly.
Hi, Goo.
Yeah.
How are
Cheers.
you? Yes. They're making Oh my God, what's the English that?
Naging charades.
Make it,
Like that. Not only.
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
What?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is the
Giddy.
Mama Dong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 Yeah, they're giddy.
they're giddy.
Yes, it's limited to VIP.
Of course, our English is only limited, so
Can
don't
you send
expect
us
too much,
English?
guys.
Guys, can you send us
Because
dictionary?
More English.
there's no stored words on my brain.
But unfortunately,
A little bit only.
everyone knows
But
that
for Mr.
I
B,
really
we will do
believe
it.
Ay,
Diba?
daw?
Yeah,
Right?
Ano sa?
the
Pwede mo
children
naman
is
say?
our future now.
What are you?
Teach them well.
Mama
and
Dong, what
then
are you?
we will teach them well.
Hey, can you please stop?
Yeah.
You lower your voice.
Stop, look, and listen.
People are looking at us, Mama Dong, because of
goodness.
your voice so loud. My gosh.
It's so...
I'm fed up.
Oh my God, Mama Dong, security is coming.
security is coming.
Yes.
Oh, guys, you
I
better
think
go
they will
there.
get you and show you the
You
ocean.
better go there.
Hi guys. Are you guys enjoying?
No.
Are you guys having a good time
No.
there?
No, please. I can't be myself. I want to be myself. I don't want to speak Tagalog. Because I'm a Filipino.
You have 45 minutes on the challenge.
I am a Filipino.
How many minutes?
I am
45
a
minutes.
Filipino.
Mama
na
Dong,
Yeah.
we are a Filipino. We want to speak Tagalog.
But, oh my God, that's basic speaking English.
Oh my
Only
God.
45 minutes? Why don't you?
Make
Whole
it.
day. That's why we will sleep whole day.
And then, I'm fed up.
Palengke challenge na.
Oh, so we're going to Palenque. We still have 2 croissants.
Let's ask if the market is open.
Oh, we don't,
Oh, yeah,
I think we
that's
don't know,
good
but
Let's ask first.
we need to check.
Yes.
We're gonna check if the market is open. But where's Iwa?
Where's Kuya?
The market is...
The
not
market is
marketing.
floating?
Yes.
The market,
Not marketing.
guys,
Because this is...
do you know that if the market is open? Or Mama Dong said the market is marketing now.
Not marketing today.
Why not?
I think it's gonna be a good challenge. Palenque,
Better.
and you have to order in English.
Why? Why
Right,
do you
guys?
have to order? Why don't you order for us?
Because we're still in the English only challenge, so we should go to the Palenque so we can order in
And let's
English.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Whatever.
But I think it's Friday. The market
If
is
there's
not
no
marketing
market,
today.
let's go to supermarket. The grocery.
It's not marketing today. It's Friday. And
Let's
it's
go.
Black Friday. No, not Black. Blue Friday.
Oh,
you're wearing blue together. So it's Blue Friday.
It's Good Friday, Mama.
Hey, thank you so much, guys. We love you.
We will make Jowa challenge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, we will.
Oh, with the,
With him and with him.
I will Jowa challenge with you.
sorry, I just burped.
Guys, I will go Jowa
Excuse me,
challenge.
there's no other outlet.
Yes.
Look. Ay, oh my God, Mama Dong.
Let's Kuya, you ask Kuya if the market is open.
We're there.
Where
We're
there?
there.
Where there?
Kuya,
Kuya.
is the market marketing today or no? Because it's Friday, holiday.
The market is
The market,
open.
the market is not marketing today.
No,
It's
they're
not marketing.
asking if the market is open.
Because it's Friday, no marketing, right?
Oh,
Oh,
they
they're
Where?
open.
Really, huh?
Town?
really have.
In town. Let's
Really
go.
have?
I doubt.
You doubt.
But we will...
You better
we will
stay there,
go there.
Dodo. You better stay here and take care
Because
of
we
baby.
just started English
We will
only,
go there.
ano.
Let's go.
and don't...
Ano. Don't say ano.
Yeah, what's ano?
What?
Ano, I said it's unknown.
Ano.
Unknown.
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 You,
Not
your
ano.
hearing not good.
Yeah, your hearing is not good. I just said
hearing not
unknown. Yeah.
You better hearing aid your ear.
Hey,
You better aid your ear.
Mama Dong.
They are so noisy. I will list down the noisy.
Uy, 50.
Is the market
15.2.
marketing today, Mama Dong?
I don't
Yes,
think
the
so.
market is marketing today.
We
Yes.
will go there.
we will go to the market
Kuya Ian
today.
said it's
Yes, what?
open.
Oo nga eh.
We're gonna buy
Love you,
some
baby.
stuff because we're gonna have boodle fight
Love you,
later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna prepare some food for us. Because we're not senoritas.
Senyorito.
Doon ka mangyagaling sa ilalim ng pit. You go there in the sun.
Where's Katie?
Okay guys, I think
Let's go.
my brain is
Shall
low
we?
back. I think I'll see you later or I don't know, maybe tomorrow if
Mr. Bean,
the English only turn off.
Yes.
See? Because,
I think she sounds good. Diba, guys?
yeah, she sounds good, but
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
I'm not.
She's
my
prepared.
gosh. What are you guys trying to say?
oh my God.
I don't want to speak English. I am a Filipino. I'm proud Pinoy.
Yeah, because we will
But
rock
English is
you.
our second language.
But I am a pure Pinoy. Pinay.
Yeah, because
Dodo is pure Pinoy and you are pure Pinay.
That's why I love Pinoy.
yeah, that's the
Because
other
when you're a
day.
Filipino, you're Pinoy. You love
We used to
Pinoy.
eat Penoy.
Yeah.
You eat the other day the penoy in Marimeme. We eat that.
What do you love the most or of this trip?
Mr. B,
Ken,
what do you love the most about this trip?
Say hi, Yan Yan.
Hello everyone.
Christina.
How's your day today?
Wait, is that
Friday,
Christina?
guys.
The day
Christina.
today is
Christina.
so beautiful in the beach.
Yeah. Where is love?
Thank you so much, Luisa Roberts.
I'm sorry, Mary Joy Arias. I don't
Of course you
understand.
don't, dear.
You're typing
Oh, it's
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
And
This is a...
But
This
sila
is-
may challenge.
no, you need to
If-
type English.
No, because if we're
I
in a...
don't understand
If we're in a
you.
challenge, then you guys are kasama in the challenge
Of
also.
course, don't
Is na lang sila
speak
secret.
Tagalog.
Yes.
You two also sakit brain. Not only me.
Not only me, not
Not
us.
us. You guys.
You're part of
join.
the family.
You
So
are part of the family.
Come on, guys. We're,
Let's help each other.
we're sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, you
Sama-sama
ask
tayo.
ChatGPT and you type. Just copy paste what you want to say. What about us? Who commented? Do we speak? Of course.
Yes, you guys too.
You guys too.
We're all together in this. Okay?
You know, guys, I am squeezing my brain right now. I cannot take this
How are you
anymore.
squeezing?
How do you squeeze
Squeezing like
push the
a
limit.
clothes with super
With
water, and I'm super squishing the water.
So you
And my
My
brain,
brain
is
is just
so. I have migraine on. I really need
look like
medicine.
high school.
My brain is not braining.
My brain is functioning.
My brain is not brainy.
Both of them are high school.
High schooling.
Yeah.
But you have kuliling.
Yeah. I'm tililing.
You have
Feeling.
Thank
sililing.
you so much, Maritachi.
I think we
Mama
need
too.
Yes, why?
I think we need to
Where
cover.
Ay, that's my
Chris,
mark.
where's
Yeah.
my brother?
Your brother is over there.
Can you ask him
And-
where's Iwa?
Oh, let's show them what our breakfast was. Our breakfast was
Sour
the
soup.
sour sop.
Sour
We
sauce.
have sour sop for breakfast.
Hey, Chris.
Hey,
Someone there. Read it.
Chris is doing Taglish comments
Yeah.
sometimes. Though.
Yeah.
You don't do
I'm
that
sorry.
to us.
We
with
punish
us.
you.
You punish
We
me.
we spunk you.
You know.
That's bad. This is your content. I don't like this.
Okay, guys, English
Yeah.
only.
They're reminishing the remanishable past.
Sabihin mo later.
What did you say? This
Later.
is great interaction with the viewers. And the concept was speaking English only.
Oh, see?
You ask them kung
But
okay lang sa
It was your idea. We just executed it. So thank you guys.
Kasama.
18K viewers.
That's Kuya Ian.
What's up?
That's
no,
Kuya
guys,
Ian.
this is
Kasi
not
nasa-
funny.
So
This
cute
is
ni Miss
not
Kat. So funny. Ha 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 ha.
Don't worry.
fabulous.
Katie is with Kuya
I don't
Ian.
like this anymore.
Katrina's with-
I think she likes it.
I cannot take this anymore.
I think
No
she likes
worries,
it.
guys.
But not the whole day.
It's great practice for you.
Whatever. Hello.
Love is sweeter the
I'm not
second
going to
time
the
around.
US.
Yes.
Why are you like
Stop.
so like sungit? Are you being sungit?
Of course.
Oh, but you know why? Because it's your second day, that's why.
And
Ayan.
I'll come back later. Thank you.
want
Thank you so much. Enjoy your vacation.
Enjoy your vacation.
Sige,
She's
tingnan
over
doon.
there. She's having fun swimming under the sun.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Enjoy your vacation po, Mami.
Sure.
Sure. Ano, AJ? AJ? AJ?
Oh, but you have to. It's only English for.
Yeah, we
you.
don't talk Tagalog,
pictured them.
ate.
So
We speak
pictured them.
English.
let's
You picture them, all of them.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Of course.
Very nice place.
What, ate? So, I'm so sorry, but you need to speak English, ha?
We have challenged Ate
We
now to
have
Tagalog.
challenge. Yeah. Okay.
Come and visit us in Bukidnon.
Of course, why not?
the press.
Let's go.
Anybody else?
Okay.
But we're going to the market, kuya. Can you
1, 2, ready,
sabay
sing.
Katie?
Happy birthday.
Can you talk to him?
Yes,
A lot more conversation.
1, 2, 3. Very nice.
Ay, kuya, bring Katie. You need to go to the market.
From Hong Kong.
Kuya.
Hi.
What do you want me to do?
Ay, not listening.
Ay!
So,
Ay!
so, there you have it. Marissa Binoy, hello.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you ask me to do?
So,
This guy?
Ask him.
Ask him what?
Bring
Kuya.
Katie. Because we're going to the market.
Kuya, can you bring Katie down?
what's that? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Follow. It's follow.
That's down.
Down.
Down,
Can you
ah.
bring Katie down
Oh,
here?
down here. Okay, very good.
You hearing not good, huh?
My gosh.
Yes, we
Let's
want
go.
to ally. Soon.
What time
We
is
will
it?
go
It's
to
11:25.
Katie's so far.
Insensitive. Mali
In
naman.
God's will,
What?
we will go to US.
Just woke up. You guys make my nose
Wow.
bleed. It's okay.
Yes.
Our
Me
noses
too.
are bleeding too, so
My nose and ears
Hi, Rogie.
and brain.
we're in this together. We're sama-sama tayo here. 19K viewers.
Oh my gosh, 19K viewers sila. There.
How about you,
How about you, Mama
Dong?
Dong?
It's only 25,911.
Oh, I think that's 250.
Yeah, I know, it's 593.
Let's go na.
Yeah.
My brain is
Yeah.
empty.
From Hong Kong, hi. Thank you so much.
It's not functioning anymore. So I think guys, we need to leave.
Soon. On September, hopefully, we will be in Singapore.
This one?
Ooh, I think
This
there's...
one. Can I get the croissant?
Yes.
Sure.
Inside the paper bag.
Still have one left.
Okay, let's bring the
I'll talk to
croissants.
you later. We want you to
Oh,
call
someone is
Iwa.
mad
We
here.
call Iwa now.
Iwa.
What?
There's
Call
Kuya.
Iwa.
Yes, call Iwa, please.
Oh my God, I ubos your coffee.
Ito lang ha. Medyo mainit.
You ubos
You
the coffee.
finish?
I finished your coffee.
Oh, that's okay.
That's very good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we need to
We
leave.
need to go to the
So we
market.
have,
So,
Oop, oop. Whoa, you got sand.
Cheers po tayo.
cheers, table and chairs.
Oh my God! There's a Busher.
Cheers.
Enjoy Basher. Enjoy watching. I love you, Basher.
Yeah.
Where's the
We love
basher?
I don't
Bashers.
know. I think that's your Busher.
Oh, it's a basher.
Mark Nash, thank you
Oh,
so
gosh.
much. Angelica nga.
Paki-block ko.
Hi.
Ito, panira.
I'm not the. That's your Busher. I don't have Busher. Wow.
Hi, Gemma.
Malamang ikaw yung baliw. Who's that?
Me?
Malamang ikaw ang baliw. What's that mean?
Luisa Robert.
Like,
Bring
is that like-
Chris
You are
back
crazy.
in
That's
Sacramento.
You are.
Who?
From USA, please bring Chris Lawrence back in Sacramento.
Who's that?
I
My
will- I
God,
will be
someone
in
is so mad
Sacramento.
here.
She
Ju-
will be in Sacramento.
July 11.
July 11.
July
Grabe
11.
ka,
July
baliw.
11, Chris Lawrence will be in
Can you speak
Sacramento.
English? So we
21,000. Hey.
I don't know.
Guys,
Someone is so mad
thank you
back
so much.
here.
Who's mad?
Say
I
hi,
don't
Ate
know.
Ping.
There's
Hi.
so rude. Why? Me?
It's okay.
Am I rude?
Swimming.
I don't think you're rude. I think there's... You know what? It's okay though, because you can't please everybody. And sometimes people are just gonna say something
Thank you so much,
like to make
Liga.
pansin, you know.
Ligayang.
And I think that's what they're
Hopefully,
doing.
I'll be in Singapore on September.
Las Vegas, man. Block, that's
Hi,
right,
Papa
Michelle.
Jack.
Block.
I don't know how to block.
I don't block the bashers because the basher is very, very nice.
Yeah, because the basher will just make another fake account.
The basher will
The-
make what do you call that?
Dummy.
Dummy and then
Yeah, they'll just gonna make a dummy
yes.
account, a fake account. They'll bash and bash and
we will
bash
enjoy the
okay.
bashers.
until they die.
Yeah. They kill this love. Tan taran tanan tanan.
Yep,
Yes.
Oh my God,
You
Katie,
saw na yung
can you
ano?
say hi?
It's our
This
princess.
is Katie.
Hi, Ate Karel.
You need to speak English, anak. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Mama. Hello, everyone. Mama.
Yep.
Sabay na ako sa inyo. Hindi na. Kay Uncle.
Okay, uncle na po.
Paano yung classmate ko? 12 nandito na.
You want us to hug your classmate?
Yes.
Hey, why do you have bubbles on your lip?
Dito lang kami, na 12.
Oo, kasi di ba
Okay.
the classmate is doing hugging.
Okay, so that means
Okay.
30 more minutes of the English challenge.
Okay, Katie.
Tell Uncle na sabay ako.
Kuya.
Yes. I'll ask Mommy Ken. Please, do you have plan to go concert in Canada?
You tell.
Yes.
2026?
Kuya, you tell.
Yes. July 9?
Bring
July
Katie.
9.
Yes,
Mommy
Kuya.
Ken. July 9 he'll be in Canada.
English.
What am I doing?
Ba dito pa ako hanggang ko?
Don't let me
You want to stay here until 12?
say a lot. It's too much, Katie.
Hi.
Sure.
Yeah.
I love you.
I wanna...
I'm gonna take a video of your papa.
di ba I will go to... Di ba my classmate will hug Papa?
I will send it to you.
Do you want to be here when I hug? You're supposed to be here when I hug.
Ayaw niya.
Oh, you don't want to be here.
Sabi ni Uncle, aalis na daw ako.
Oh, you go home.
You pick na mo.
I will take a video.
You pick na mo.
You pick na mo. Okay. Bye na. Okay, go.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah. Angelica, no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in Canada.
Salamat. Thank you.
June 26, I'll be in Victoria, BC.
Thank you.
June 26, Victoria, BC.
No.
And then July
We're going to
9
the
in
Palengke.
Lloydminster.
July 9 in Lloydminster. Mommy Ken.
That's
Wait lang, picture
right.
ko muna kayo. Bago siya umalis.
And
Tawag.
I will bring Katie's bomb.
Yeah, he will bring Katie's bomb then by.
And by then, I think we'll have our official KKK merch.
Yes, we will have
Yeah.
a KKK merch. Hello, Josephine from Canada.
Mama, you
I'm gonna take a video. Smile.
if you want to picture and video. You
Of
hug
course.
your mama lang and papa. You hug your mama and papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So enjoy, guys.
1, 2.
Oh, yes, we will.
Thank you.
Thank
I will
you.
end
Love you.
this
See you
live.
later.
Bye, Katie.
So, I will not delete this, ha. Bye-bye.
Happy
everyone.
team.
I have to go there na.
Go there.
Bye-bye. You bye-bye to my live.
With the D.
Bye-bye.
My life.
Bye to my live. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Catherine's Global.
Katie wants us to
KKK
stay
Worldwide
because
Party.
she wants us to
KKK family.
hug her
One.
classmates, to meet her
KKK
classmates.
family. At sa lahat
San
po na
Francisco.
nagmamahal, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Bye-bye everyone.
So I'll be in
Love you.
Aruba,
Bye.
June 21. I'll be in Victoria, BC, June 26. San Francisco, June 27. Lloydminster, July 9. And then back to Sacramento on July 11th. So kita-kits po tayo dyan. And I'll bring Katie's bomb. And I think by that time I will have
Bakit?
the official KKK merch. So I'll bring it there. And we'll see each other there.
Bye-bye like that.
Picture ko yung ano yung...
Ilan po naman ang live. Yeah.
How do you send stars? That's good. I think there's a button on the screen that says send stars.
Wala dito.
in the pink
mamaya,
bag.
nila yung video. Doon na
The pink
sa-
bag?
In the pink bag.
Where's the pink bag?
Ouch,
Nasa
my
CR lang.
legs.
Naki ano.
Agay.
O, diba? Pulikat.
Did you get pulikat again?
Ara.
Is that a cramp?
Ouch, ang sakit.
Manood ka na dun ngayon. Sa shout. Ay, nanonood ka
What's
na
up to Joy Miller, Hawaii? Shaka.
Nanonood ka na ba?
I'm low bat, guys.
Nanonood ka ngayon?
Uh-oh. You want more
Sige.
coffee?
No, my English is low bat.
I think coffee will help.
No?
Yep.
No, I don't like coffee. I will, my heart will palpitate.
You hide on Ate Karel from Nueva Ecija. Yun. Hi kay Ate Karel.
Hi, Ate
Hi, Ate
Karel.
Karel from Nueva Ecija. We love you.
Mamaya namin gagawin yung video ni Ate Karel sa BAM.
Okay.
Okay, my English runs out.
Ooh, we're at 22.5K.
Ah, wow. Lumipat na sa
Congrats,
inyo.
guys.
Yung 15K ko nandyan na.
Kasi you
Wow.
stop already.
Oh.
You stop your life already.
So,
That's
so I think we
why.
should say thank you to Mama Dong for the
Mama Dong, thank you so much. that
Yeah.
You ended your life and
Kasi
you have a lot of
when he
viewers
end-
right
when
now.
he ended, we got 20 more viewers.
Yeah, 20.
we got 20 more viewers.
Nasaan ka ba? Kailan ka dumating? Kunyeta
Where's
ka ba kasi
Iwa?
nagpaparamdam?
Tayo pa natin yung classmate.
Kaya,
Di ba? Minsan nangamoy kandila, sabi ko.
What's up to
"Shit, si Enzo na
DJ
to."
Deje, Ruby and Pasqua?
Nasa Enzo,
Mirasol.
nandito na pala sa Pilipinas si
oo
Gaga.
nga, hello. Mama Dong, you speak English.
We're
Oh.
here in El Nido, Palawan. One of the great beach. The English
Great.
college, eh, don't,
What if the
don't
great
speak
beach?
I don't understand you.
Mama Security.
Where?
Whistles already.
Where there? No, there.
Yes.
You,
I heard some whistle. Whistling.
you message me. This phone.
Isang car lang kanina. So, hintayin pa natin.
There was two
No.
cars, I think. I think Kuya Ian had his other car.
Yes. You got it.
Look, we're bunnies.
Para magigising ng wake up by 1 or 2.
So,
So by the time we get home, gising na siya. $470 stars. Thank you. Say thank you.
thank you. Because my brain is low bat. Empty words already.
Oh, you used everything already?
Yes.
It's okay. You can repeat. It's the same. It's the same words.
When I say it, it's already finished.
No, when I
It
see
will
your
come back
face,
tomorrow if I
it's
sleep.
not the things that I won't change.
Yes. If I say it already, I cannot.
Because you're
Repeat.
amazing.
No, you just have to repeat.
No, I cannot.
You
I
just
can.
repeat
I
it.
need to sleep.
You just
so
repeat it right
will
now.
come back.
But you just
We'll
repeated
come back
right now.
tomorrow.
What?
You
no,
just yes.
no.
No.
Shh. Don't do
Don't
that to me. Stop.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
See, I told you guys, my English will be little.
Okay. 21.2. Okay. Are we gonna wait for her classmate?
Oo, malamang. Yung video.
We still have
How do you know?
27 minutes to wait.
How do you know the classmate that we're
Yes.
supposed to meet?
Yes.
Is it because they get out at 12?
I don't know.
I thought she
There's
said
no
11.
school today.
I thought she
It's
said 11.
holiday.
Kung pagod ka na, Mama B, sandal to pop.
No, Basher will come again. Another day. And be mad again. And bash again. Yeah.
But
Basher is waiting there.
I
I
don't.
can see there.
I don't think bashers are bad. I think Basher.
I think Basher knows you.
You think?
Hi, Basher. Thanks for watching
July
anyways.
June 27 ba?
June 27 in San Francisco.
Hindi, yung sa Canada.
What?
Canada
Mama
is
Dong?
26.
What are you
June
talking
26.
about, Mama Dong?
June
June
26.
26, where's the concert? June 26, where's the concert in Canada?
Victoria, BC.
Victoria.
And I'll be with Little Eddie. Little Eddie's
Who
my
is
guest.
Little Eddie?
Then
The
July
one who sang
9.
Statue. I'm like a statue.
July 9 will be on.
Oh, very nice song.
Very
Louis
nice song.
Spencer, what's that?
Lloyd Minster.
Lloyd Minster.
Lloyd Minster.
Lloyd Minster.
Yes, guys, my guest is Little Eddie. So, for those of you that like the song Statue, he will be with me.
He will be with you all the time.
He will be with me on all the shows there.
All the time there.
All the time there.
Yes.
Why is my English not Englishing?
They're gonna stick together like
Yeah.
this stick.
Little Eddie.
Yes.
If you guys know Little Eddie, the one who sang Statue, siya yun.
Can we hear statue from you?
I'm like a statue, start staring right at you.
Can you finish the song?
I don't know the rest of the words.
Can you sing 5 songs?
5 songs where?
So I can rest my English.
I think they want to hear your English.
We want to hear your voice. Sing.
I think
you
they
sang very well.
They like your English better.
You sang song very well.
Oh,
You
what?
sang song. You sang song very well, huh?
Sang song.
Yeah.
Kangkong.
Oh, there. RG. RG, hello. What's up?
Ay, ano kahiga ka? Tapos lalagyan ka ng mga alam mo yun,
You can see it from there? You have good eyesight, huh?
Of course.
Yeah.
I can see the Basher. It's there.
There? I want to see the basher.
Who's
They're
the basher?
watching.
Hi
Which is the
basher! Enjoy bashing.
Who's the basher?
Bashing every day.
Yeah,
Yes.
bash
Makes
anywhere,
your day
everywhere.
complete.
Because we also love the basher. We want you to bash us always so that you're happy.
And
And
we grow.
We
We
grow.
grow our family.
yes, we have hi to KKK bashing fans.
Oh, look at the plane.
Others the plane. The plane is big. That's my big plane.
That's your plane, Mama
Yeah,
Dong?
no, the small.
Oh, hello everyone. Thanks for watching.
Wow.
Paano bumaba?
Yes.
You want me to make it higher? There. Delilah. Okay, ano pa guys?
I can't think of words. You talk.
I think I need to go to the restroom.
There, the restroom is there. Go there. Straight ahead and then turn left. Or right. Just check. Where's the bathroom?
Si Mami Kens, malayo kasi siya sa...
Over there.
Pero,
What?
Mami Kens is so far in your concert venue, but
Is so what?
she will...
Is so
is
far. Far.
So far.
Far.
So far.
Is it far?
P-A-R.
Is it far or far?
Like in golf.
Far. But she will try to book ticket. If she book ticket, she will announce to me.
Wow.
Announce.
Announce.
It's
Announce
gonna be
it.
So it's gonna be
Yeah.
announced. It's
gonna
big.
It's gonna
It's a
broadcast.
big announcement.
She's gonna broadcast.
Oh my-
Then she left the group.
So Mommy Ken just left the group.
She will buy ticket, and if you have merchant, she will buy merchant.
Wow.
Then she will buy
Thank you
gift
so
for
much.
Katie,
Oh.
Kat, and me.
And Mama Dong.
She will
Give it to me.
please to you to
Wow.
bring.
She's pleased.
Yeah.
She will please to me. Up. Up, up.
We're going up, up, up. It's our voice. That's beautiful. We were glowing. Gotta be
I
colder.
think Katie's messaging.
Check your cell phone. You text AP. Oh no!
Oh, whoa, what happened? No wonder why it's sticky.
Splurge.
It's okay, here, look, you do this.
No, you
No,
put the camera to Mama Dong.
No, you
Go,
do this
go,
also.
go to
Let me
Mama
show you how to
Dong.
clean your
Put
hands.
the camera to Mama Dong.
What's that?
This is a basahan.
Yeah! That's a grape.
It's a basahan.
It's a grape.
Diba, guys?
Grad.
Splash of bully.
But we need to wait.
We need to
For
wait
Katie's
12.
classmate.
Yeah.
Like-
How you contact?
I don't know. I
go.
I stopped this already. I'll check my phone when it's 12.
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom. There. It's there. Just straight here. This way.
I'm still cooking it.
You
So you're
still
gonna make
cooking?
I'm
Oops.
still,
Are you gonna make poop?
I'm still cooking.
Oh.
Yeah,
So you're gonna make poop?
something like that.
Oh my god.
Something like that.
Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in.
Wow, look at the likes go.
Nicole.
All the
sleeping.
likes are going crazy.
Who's that?
Mommy Elda.
Hi, Mommy Elda. It's so dark there.
It's so dark, she's sleeping.
Oh, she's sleeping.
Oh,
She
done
went home.
swimming, she home.
Done swim, go home.
Done swimming, she home to...
To the house. She
Yeah.
home to the house.
She went to the house to change the dress.
because she's wet.
Because she sweat,
Because
she
she's
showered.
wet. No towel. We're in the middle of the beach.
She wants to
We're
dry.
having an English challenge, mommy. It's so difficult.
Yes.
It's okay. We have 15 minutes.
Yeah. Chris wants us to
This is
speak
not a
English
bad thing,
only.
but yes.
There's lots of
Yeah,
banter,
this is
but
the
we
I
have
think
banter.
everybody had a good time
Right?
though. Didn't you guys have a good time with the English challenge?
Yes.
Are you
Labashing.
guys having fun? Karaoke. Are you guys
Yes,
having fun?
We tell the bashers, enjoy watching. Yeah.
They're not answering
They
if they're having
enjoy.
fun.
I think they did because they have 10 stars, you have 44, you have 7,
Oh,
you have
thank
10.
you so much.
What time is there?
Are you guys having fun?
What time is there?
Already.
I can't see they're having
8:45?
fun.
That's your resting time. You
No.
Oh yeah.
No cell phone.
What do you guys think about the no cell phone
Yeah,
challenge
you have a
for
no
3 hours?
No way. We're not.
Press 1 if you guys like it.
Yes, mommy.
Press 1 if you guys want a no cell phone challenge.
Okay lang daw po. We have naman
Yung
here.
mukha- yung face, look at this face.
We have here. Yung sa bomb, yes.
I think it's a good idea.
Yes, mommy.
So we can all be present in the moment.
Whatever.
Right,
We just
guys.
want
I
to.
will.
Knocking.
Want to watch?
Is mommy preparing the money sending to you?
No.
Not now?
No.
Not now, mommy. Not yet. Not yet.
Katie's mom.
Where's Katie's bomb? There, it's there in
Next
your
time
bag.
sooner.
Pink bag.
There you go.
I need to stretch.
Oh, your
Yeah.
legs are.
You
Your
need to
leg is
put
in
a
pain?
bomb.
I'm gonna put bomb.
Spray.
Yes.
I think I need to
Go.
stretch. Ah,
Hey.
See, mommy.
yes.
She's getting numb.
Yeah.
Oh,
His feet getting numb.
you put.
Oh, yes,
Katie's
Katie's
bomb.
already in the US. So.
I think I need Katie's bomb to make me stronger.
Yeah. What do you want? Do you want yellow or you want a purple
I like the
or a
blue
blue one?
Because I'm wearing blue today.
You want to be happy.
Yeah, always happy.
But this is not open.
Which one?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's do the
It's not
open one.
You need to buy
No,
this.
let's do the open one.
You need to buy this.
Let's just sell it.
Ay, all of these are not open.
Oh no. Don't we have an open one?
You relax
We need to
first,
open.
mommy. I
Okay.
will call you again later. Love you, mommy.
Love you.
Love you, Domi.
Mommy, can you put this in the bag? So guys, we're getting this Katie's bomb for
For my legs.
Like, sure.
Bilis. Kanina pa, abang namin, ma'am. Dali na, dali. Sisi, atak.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Patungo na rin.
Hey. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
No, Makarandan, don't do this to me.
What are they doing? What did they do?
Miss B is so funny doing English challenge.
I love it.
You just find me so cute, so I need to stop this. You just find me attractive, so I need to stop this already, guys. Yes, I'm so cute when I'm speaking English. And I need to put distance, you know.
I think she's funny.
Yeah, so you'll find me cute. So I'll attract you. So I don't like that. My God. Please.
May naghahanap yung mga mataba.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Security. Pa-picture daw ng swap.
Kaya nga. Can I just see it?
Yeah.
Ma'am, ako lang po.
Sure, Kuya.
Okay lang po daw na nakaupo.
Okay lang po.
Ano lang kami?
Okay, Kuya.
Ganda po ng outfit.
Mama, diyan ang laki mo. Yeah. Picture them. 1, 2,
Closer yan.
closer to. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, si idol siya ng asawa ko eh.
Ay. Go, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Love yata si ma'am.
Yan nakalagay.
Chris, answer.
Baka ano yung classmate niya nandito na.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi sila na lang.
Where's it? Ano?
Call her.
Delilah.
Delilah Rivera.
Ano yan?
Let's go.
Wala natin laman. Ito yan.
1, 2.
Thank you. Thank you. Please put bomb. What? Me?
Sabi.
No.
Thank you. Is your classmate coming to us here? Yes. Okay, where is she?
Merong ano yung loob ng
The what?
Sand?
bumaksak ng pagay.
Thank you so much.
Dapat pala
Blower mo yan.
Where's your classmate, baby?
What?
You blower it.
You blower it so it will dry?
So the sand will go out.
How about my mic? It's wet.
Working.
I don't know. Yeah.
Cat is
What?
already
What, Cassie?
woke up.
What?
Are you in the room already?
Ilan na siya?
20K.
20K.
How about you?
Nung nag-end ako, nasa 38 yung nanonood.
Hello. Where's baby Katie? She went home.
Yeah.
We need to wait for her classmate.
Are you
Miss
coming?
B, can you help
Are your
Mr.
classmates
B
coming?
put Katie's bum on his legs? No.
Okay, we're
That's
just
too
here.
much.
Should we just wait for them,
Alin
or are
daw?
they gonna come to us?
I'm gonna put Katie's bum on Mr. B's legs. I think that's too much, guys.
Why?
You're asking too much from me.
It's not aching.
Just here.
Miss B, ikaw naman maglagay.
Just
Can
here.
I?
Who's that?
pa-shout out lang.
Later. I know. Who's that? Jackie De Paz Donor? Hi, Jackie De Paz Donor.
From
Thanks
Taytay.
for watching from Taytay. KKK Taytay something solid.
Ano, a result chapter?
You wanna talk to her?
Result chapter.
What?
Wanna talk to your mom?
What?
Nag-hi siya sa akin yung ganyan kanina. Sabi niya.
Mama Dong is still on live? No, she's here. She's over here. What? Hi, Katie.
Yes, hi.
Why are you not on
Because I'm
she's
doing a
live.
live, Katie. Why? You call your papa, not me. Why? What do you wanna say? Yes, I will take a video and a photo.
We will wait your classmates.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Christina David.
Marunong kang mag-Bisaya. I don't speak Bisaya, guys.
Gamay lang.
Gamay?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang. You teach me Bisaya.
That's the only word, gamay lang.
You teach me Bisaya.
Teach me how to doggy.
I know some words of
Wisdom.
yeah.
Words of wisdom.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah,
Go to the bathroom.
need
You
to
go
there
straight
na.
there and straight here from here. Straight and then go left.
Sa'yo, sir, nasa iyo.
I got it. I need to bring this.
Go.
Beside the then straight ahead.
Okay.
Ligpit ko na po.
Yes.
Kutsara niya. Nasaan kaya mo din? Sir, saan mo nilagay yung kutsara?
Hindi ko dala.
Ay, di mo. Okay. Ito hindi niya na to inumin.
No more. We're done. Okay, wala na si Mr. Brown. Tama na to, be.
Oo nga, hirap na ako mag-English.
Buti nag-CR na. Buti na na-show in.
Meron kami
Video ko. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, wala na si Mr. B. Tama na to, be.
Actually, kanina pa ako hirap mag-English na yan.
Tama na to.
Tapos meron tayong break.
Ayan.
Oo nga, Diyos ka, naka-break,
kami.
di ba?
Sana medyo magtagal siya sa CR.
Woo! So good, eh. Tama na. Kalokohan niya, eh. Tagalog din naman siya, eh. Imi-imi din to, eh. Ay, nakarelax din. Napagod ako, te. Punta na tayo palengke.
Oh, pagkatapos natin maghihiya.
Wala si Iwa. Iwa is waiting for us.
Asan si Iwa?
Over there sa taco daw.
Ah, sa taco. Hello! Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Nasaan si Marimar? Naku, di ko alam. Si Paul Goso nandito. Ayan o. Si Marimar, di ko alam kung nasaan. Diba? Nakahinga din tayo, Shira. Shira ulo yun eh. Pagod.
Pati ba nag-ano?
Di ba sila din nakahinga din sila eh, oh. O, di ba nakatakas na kayo? Yes. Buti na show siya. Kala niya ha. Iniisaan ko nga siya, pinapakanta ko kanina para manahimik ako eh. Di ba be? Iniisahan ko, sabi ko 5 songs siya. Di ba? Oh, Mr. Brown pala. Hindi, Mr. Brown, may isa pa. Marami kasi siyang pangalan eh.
Yeah.
May iba pa. Actually, marami siya, lahat B. Nagmarimar ako. Naku, ayoko.
Ako na lang gusto nyo.
Si ito, Mari.
Karimari.
Thank you so much. 800k views na yung naunang live. 586k yung ngayon. Grabe naman yan. Naku, mukhang nag-enjoy sila sa English only, ma.
Diba nga? Diyos kong hirap-hirap.
Pwede naman natin to ulitin, guys. Pero, next time naman.
Oo. Give us a break.
At
Give us a
saka,
break.
at least man lang dapat merong wine, konting shot, yung panulak sa lalamunan para smooth.
Para lumabas yung engine.
Yes, mas nakakaisip kasi tayo pag medyo mayroong konting panulak, mas malakas yung loob.
Kaya guys, padalahan nyo na ako ng pang-wine.
Croissant. Popost ko nga itong croissant.
Magwa-wine kami.
You're so pretty. Thank you so much.
Hindi ikaw, ako daw.
Ay, ikaw ba?
Thank you. We wine ourselves.
Ma, sabi you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Yung pala yun.
Diba?
Mali lang yung pagkakarinig ko.
Besha daw yun. Sabi ko, ang sabi, you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Mali pa yung pagkakaintindi ko.
Maridong.
Oo.
Maridong.
Yeah, that's Maridong.
Hi to our 18,000 viewers. Kung yung 18,000 viewers naman yan, follow nyo rin yung FB account ko.
Oo, ako din, AJ.
Yung Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Guys, follow my account ha, Facebook account. Joseph Dodong
Ano
Bangkat.
yung sabihin mo dapat nung nag-live kayo? Sabi mo, El Nido mo na sasabihin. Ah, oo nga, may
Oo nga.
naniningil.
Ano nga yun? We forgot?
I forgot. No, actually, I don't forgot.
Oo.
Pero pinaalala mo sa akin, salamat. Tingnan natin. Kasi keep on reminding me, guys.
Ito 12 na guys.
Naka-monitor sa live si Mr. Bangkat na sa CR. Oh my gosh.
Mama Zong oh.
Naka-monitor siya. Kahit nasa CR.
Yeah, watching.
Yan.
Naka-monitor siya watching.
Eh, sorry ka, wala ka dito. Basta pag
Ano
wala
yan?
ka dito, wala ka dito.
English only, face-to-face challenge.
Yeah.
Face-to-face only.
Naka-follow na ako sa'yo, Mama Do.
Ay, thank you so much. Guys, follow pa yung 17,000. Titingnan ko dito kung tumataas kung nagpa-follow kayo, ha? Watch ko. Kundi ay pa-follow in you. Guys, dagdag pa, wala pa. Follow nyo na Joseph Dodong Bangkat.
Naalala niyo yun? Basta remind nyo lang ako, guys. Wala si Chris dito. Huwag kayong ganyan. Hindi naman yan. Hindi yan totoo. Sakit na nga ng ulo ko, guys. Actually,
Ay, English.
second day ng period ko ngayon. I'm not feeling well. Tapos kagabi di ako nakatulog. Huwag nyo na po sakitin ulo ko. Dagdag pa yan sa iisipin ko eh. Ulitin mo daw yung FB account mo, Mama Dong.
Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Eto.
Saka AJD.
Eto po. Kita ba?
Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. Oy, bumaba na kasi hindi na tayo nag-i-English. Okay lang.
Yan.
Mababa na din yung energy namin, guys.
Oo nga, mainit na eh. Follow nyo to,
English
ha?
is not, ano na available at this moment.
Yes, English is not available at
Prince,
this moment.
si Prince
Please,
Adrian Dagdag, oh, watch.
Mama, English is not available this time around.
Yes.
So, come back again.
Yeah, 12, it's 12 noon, so the
It's done.
English is stopped.
Stop already. The timer stops.
Yes, Chris knows that it's already 12.
Thank
to
you
stop.
so much, LV. I love you.
Hi, Prince Dagdag.
AJD, follow nyo rin
Sa mata.
Ayan, asa na ba yan? 18, yes.
Guys, pagdating ni Mr. B, ano na kami?
Sumama sila sa palengke.
Alis na kami. Huwag na, ang hirap ganyan, huwag na, may hirap, tama na. Wala na, tapos na yun ha.
Oo, tapos na.
Ay, nako, only 1 hour. Mr. B is here, magbababay lang siya sa inyo and then we'll leave, okay?
John RB,
Uy, you need to
shout
speak
out.
English. Mr. B
Hi.
is here.
Ayan. Hi, John RB, shout out to you.
Uy, mag-English ka, English na.
Yes, yes.
Ayan na siya, dahil. So,
Yes,
hi guys.
Hi guys, we are the
Mr.
world.
B is coming there.
Yes,
So
so
we have to speak English.
Yeah, again.
we English ourselves.
Yeah.
And
Come here, so we need to bye-bye.
you guys speaking Tagalog?
No, we
No.
don't. We did not.
we English, right? Because you're here now.
That's a clear violation of this challenge.
Whatever.
Guys, what do you
This
think we
is
should
finished.
What should be the punishment?
Bye-bye na.
You say bye-bye.
Wait, bye.
We go na to the
guys.
market.
Bye-bye, guys.
Guys, you follow my account, ha? That's one. Joseph Dodong Bangkat, follow me.
Don't tell anyone, my gosh. Bye. We love you.
We love you, mga
Don't tell anyone,
guys.
We're going to the market.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody. Okay, that's our
We go to the
secret.
market.
Yeah.
So no one knows that
No
we're
one-
going to the market.
The market.
Only 16,000 people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yan lang.
Don't spread it.
Don't spread.
Oy, Lara Summer is awake.
Oh, she is.
Yeah. And
Is she?
Kat,
Are they?
Royan Silva is awake already. So you
Are
guys,
they coming here? We go to them.
Are you guys waiting for us? Are
Or-
you gonna go to the market now?
Are we
Are we
the
going
world?
home? Let's go na.
are the world.
Let's go.
Ay, Mama Dong, can you... I will call after this live.
Yeah, we call na. So, bye-bye,
Bye
live.
guys.
Bye guys, I love you.
We live
We love
again,
you.
hopefully.
Have a
We
good
love you.
Have a-
Thank you so much. I hope you
Have a
enjoy our
good
live.
Friday.
Friday, everyone.
Have a good Friday, everyone.
Bye!
Spread positivity. Spread love.
Spread love.
Spread love. and good
Bye.